Alright, so what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Haywire RC. And today I got the HelLST back and did all the repairs that need to be done after the crash. Yeah, so if you guys haven't heard, or if you're new to the channel, I did crash this thing. Clear?
Yep. Whoa!
I was very lucky as only the right side of the truck was crushed. Unfortunately though, I did have to replace the front suspension A-arm and the axle carriers as those cracked. But that wasn't really too much of an issue because I already had the parts for those, thankfully. But the body did get damaged and my wheels were just absolutely crushed. As you can see right here, this was the front rim, and yeah, the rim just totally got cracked, and the tire also bursted too, so that's all chewed up. And for the body, I was able to do a lot of repairing, as I was able to fix the light and try to get the creases out of the body. Yeah, so the plan here today is I'm going to take this thing back out, hopefully continue what I was trying to do last week. I was trying to get some good slow-mo footage. I'll get some of that going up for you, so here we go. Alright guys, so we got the HelLST back outside, and the new fuel lines look great on this thing. I just fired it up a minute ago, fires right up, idle's great, so time to take it out. All right, everybody. So the LST is back again. Yeah, so I can say this thing's a beast now. Got brand new wheels, or used brand new. I like to call them brand new because they do look pretty good. Got the big tank, so it, finally I can run this for more than 10 minutes. Engine, just ran it. Temp is perfect. Even though the tune's really rich because I'm running a SH carburetor, which is probably a little too big for this engine. But, I'm leaving that on there because that's my best one. Full start. Works great. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
All right, hey YRC, you have a good one. Okay, I'm gonna fire this up for you, and you fire it up in the bathroom. All right?
Alright, yeah, so yeah, that's my fuel. Let's just pour it out. That's my light. And this is my treads. This isn't the car's treads. This is my tread. So now it's in the... I was seeing the crash.